Come test drive the 2020 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.